Love is hard and marriage is hard. And that is what I've heard from many people leading up to today. This may be the optimist in me, but I don't think those statements tell the whole story. I am incredibly blessed. I get to go about the rest of our lives with you by my side. Erica Nicole Obidoza Bautista, I cherish you, and I absolutely cannot wait to marry you.
We have come a long way from where we started, on every moment from our first exchange of smiles to saying goodnight last night in the driveway. I cherish moments like this with every cell in my body. I love and I'm grateful for you and the light you bring. You are my truest love.
Did I take it off?
All the way down.
All the way down.
I candle in the folds of your voice, a spark of light amongst the fires of the night. And I've listened with the dawn and the third of gladness amongst the mist and you, your delight.
I vow to be the man and husband you deserve. I vow to continue trying to make you laugh or smile, even if it ends in you being annoyed with me from time to time. I promise to be the father to our children that you envision, and I know this goes without saying, but I will love you forever.
I vow to be the best version of myself and always bring out the best in you as we grow old together. Mind you, there will be moments when you want to bang your head against the wall and I want to guillotine your ass, but I know that you and I thrive in being respectful and understanding to what each other needs. I promise never to stop laughing with you, to always grow with you and our family. Alan, you're just so damn wonderful. All that I am and all that I have, I offer to you in love. I love you, I love us, and you are my forever.
My brother has a different bond with each one of his sisters. For me, he has always been my guidance.
From him going from that shy kid stuck in the room reading Harry Potter to who he is today is amazing. I am so proud of you, and I'm so proud of both of you.
It's not often that a man can find someone as beautiful, caring, and genuine as you. My brother got pretty lucky. I'm so glad I'm not losing a brother, but rather gaining a sister.
Erica, my new sister, I'll show up for you like my brother has always showed up for me.
You've traveled together, did the long distance relationship, and then when Erica and I moved out of our parents' house for school, Alan became our parents' roommate. Moved into my old room and everything. And I'm pretty sure after today he's gonna be the favorite child.
And as you come
So there comes a time when a man meets his best friend. And for Alan, that was in 2011 when he met me at SoCal Chicken. Behind every king, there's a shining queen. Erica, I remember when Alan first told us you were gonna hang out with us. And he said something along the lines of like, hey Omar, is it cool if my coworker comes out with us? And I was like, yeah, bro, of course your coworker could come out with us. But when I saw the way that Alan looked at you, Erica, I knew you weren't just a coworker. I knew you were gonna be his wife. When Alan looks at you, Erica, it's like he's able to completely shut everything out of the room like nothing else matters.